Pisces, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your weeklies from 13 to 19 of July, and this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you, as you already know that. And for those who are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get notified about my latest videos. Alright, so before we start with our tarot reading, I'm going to pick one card from my Osho Zen Tarot, and I'm going to give a direct message for you for this week. Alright, so let's see. Okay, celebration. Oh wow, so you are celebrating over here. You are just enjoying with your friends, with your family, a girly party or something, just and this is a rainy season as well over here in India, so it's really fine. You are enjoying with your family, you are having so much of fun. See, such a beautiful card, such a beautiful message. Might be celebrating just a small thing, might be a job, about a birthday party or something, anything. This is, you are celebrating that thing. Wow. Okay, so let's start with your tarot reading now. I'll be looking at your past energies, present and future energies, and then I'll end my reading with a couple of cards from the universe. For my Pisces, please, from 13 to 19 of July. Okay. Okay. So someone is doing, some kind of argument dealing. I feel that might be in your family or somewhere. You're talking to people, but people are not talking. They are throwing stones at you. They are just there with the sticks, and you are standing on your ground. You are facing some issues at home, you are facing some issues at work, and you are all set ready to deal with the situation. You are not moving back. I see, you are dealing with the situation. You are facing the issues in your life. Okay, so your past energies are Queen of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, and 6 of Pentacles. You are done with something in your past. You are done with a relationship, might be, because you have given a lot, and you are done with that. Now your main focus is yourself. You are more focused in your feelings, your self-love, your self-worth. Your present cards are 4 of Wands, the Sun, and 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Cups. I see that in your present, because of that energy, that confident energy in your past, which you are bringing in your present, you are actually enjoying. You are being happy with your family, might be attending some marriage or some kind of a party, because your celebration card is also over here. So your present energies are quite good over here, that you are actually celebrating, you are enjoying with the family. You are there are kids involved. You are enjoying with people, kids, and everyone. Okay, so your future energies are the Moon, 10 of Wands, and Strength card. Yeah, but I really feel that as you will just finish this celebration, there are some things which are coming up in your life. Might be your work as well, because I see that you are really tired and you are really working hard. So might be your work, and that is why you are standing. You are taking a stand of yourself. For some people, it's a promotion. You are standing for yourself, and you are telling that I am me right now. I have done this much of work, and you are not even giving me recognition for that. That's not done. But we'll clarify the cards. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify Seven of Wands. Five of Cups, the Moon, and Two of Swords. Yes. So there is some kind of sadness I feel over here, and some kind of indecisiveness as well. You are dealing with someone or any situation where you know you are there standing for yourself, and still you are indecisive. Might be dealing with a Libra as well, and that person is indecisive, and that person is not able to decide what to do, what not to do, and you are fighting with your family for marriage, for something in your life. You are definitely, there is some kind of situation like that. You are fighting, you are standing on your grounds, you are taking a stand for yourself, but the other person, I feel that he or she is indecisive still, so which you don't know, it's still hidden, and you are getting some intuitions. If you are getting those kind of intuitions, please listen to them. Your intuitions never tell you wrong things, okay? So let's see the Queen of Swords in your past energies. What are you done over here with which thing? Three of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and Seven of Cups. So there is a person or there is a situation which just comes and goes, and it happens again and again and again. You are in between a situation where how to say this, where you have many things in your mind. Your thought process is just working and working, and you are done with this particular situation or this particular person. But this person again comes and messages you, again comes and calls you that no, I am here, I am still here, and you are done with that thing. But this person, I don't know, it might be a long distance relationship as well, or someone from other country, and it's like no, I'm done with you. I cannot just linger around you, but still you are lingering because this person is not done. Okay, so let's see what is this Nine of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Five of Swords. So a lot of mess is there around you. It might be you who is creating that mess, but I don't feel so, because you are in that state where you are the talk of the town, where you are the person whom everyone wants to be like. You are an inspiration, and you have decided many things. You have decided to cut off this person, to cut off this particular situation, because it is not serving you right. And you are dealing with some people who are just manipulating you. They are with all their lies, they are deceiving you, they are pressurizing you. A lot of might be a lot of work pressure on you, but you are in your own energy where you do not listen to anyone. I really feel that you are not the one who is indecisive in the situation. The other person or the situation is not able to decide whether to be a part of your life or not. You are fine. You are fine with everything. You have decided that I cannot entertain the manipulative people in my life. Very good. So Six of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the Devil. Yes, collaboration is there. Some kind of it is that situation where you actually gave it a try. I see that, okay, fine, I am here to communicate with you, I will clear out things, and some clarity was there. And after you found the clarity, you actually found out that the other person is the one who is being the bad man, bad guy. Okay, and you were like, you were there, you were standing by your side, and you were like, I am here, I was there to fix everything, so why did you ditched me, fire on me? Why did you do that? So that actually came in your life, in your past. You got to know some things. There were some kind of clarity when you actually wanted to just ask this person and to confront, and you were there to Okay, fine, I'm here, I will sort out the situation, and then you found out this new scenario. Okay, so let's see what is this Four of Wands in your present. The Hermit, Justice, and Ace of Wands. Might be dealing with Virgo or Libra, Sag, Aries, and Leo. Okay, so what is this? Yes, for some people it might be a marriage issue which is going from a long time, and you are waiting for a decision, for a pending decision from a long time, and you want justice from the court as well. There might be a divorce procedure going on, but you are fine with that, because I see that you are more into new things. You want to execute new life, you want to execute new plans which has already come up in your mind, and you want to execute those things. You are not in that state to go back to this past situation. You are not in that state, I feel. Let's see, Ten of Cups, Two of Wands, Ten of Cups, and Seven of Swords. So yes, there is the person, the situation with which you are dealing with is not good. That person is hiding something. Something is being hidden from you. You have cleared out everything, but still there is something which you need to find out more. If you are in a state of confusion, so that's fine. The confusing state, the state where you are in the crossroads, in the middle of two places. It might be a family issue for some people. It's definitely some kind of family problem you are dealing with. Okay, so let's see your future. The Moon, the Tower, Nine of Cups, and the Fool. So some things are coming to the surface, I feel, and it's going to make a lot of difference in your coming life, because when all the materials are there on the table, when everything is there, when you know everything, it's easy to decide many things. You are able to decide what to do. You are able to decide what's good for you. So I really feel that something is coming up, because this person with whom you are dealing with is someone who is very much in that zone where with him also everything is fine, I feel, and there is some kind of an ending, some kind of conversation which will happen in your future. Let's see, Ten of Wands, the Hierophant, Three of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. Yes, for some people the marriage is coming to an end. For some people who wanted this marriage to come to an end, because you are celebrating, and someone is being single over here, who is getting healed also. So whatever situation was there, I really think that in your present energy only, in your present only, you are going to find out more clues, more information, and then we will take the step. And I see that there is a completion. Something is going to end over here, but you are celebrating this completion, this end, whatever this is. Okay, so let's see what the universe has for you. What cards are there? Knight of Rods, Seven of Pentacles, and Temperance. So the universe wants you to tell you that it's fine to be easygoing sometimes. You waited for all this process from a long time. Universe knows that, but you do not have to find some rules and regulations. You cannot be in a state where there should be that boundary. Do not set any boundary. Just be the free person, the person who loves to do the things he or she likes. Okay, so you have done a lot of waiting, and it's time for you to be happy, to celebrate some things in your life. All right, so That's all from my side, my Aquarians. I really hope you liked, sorry, my Pisces. I really hope you liked the reading, and if you liked it, please give a thumbs up. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.